So you want to invest in stocks, but you have no idea how to do your taxes. You're stressing out, oh man, how am I gonna do this? I don't know anything about taxes. This video is for you if you want to learn how to do your taxes. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Bruce Wang. In today's video, we're gonna go over the Robinhood investment challenge and how I did my taxes for my stock portfolio on Robinhood. So this is how I'm gonna do the layout for this video. I'm gonna go over my portfolio really quickly and also do my weekly buying of my stocks. And for part two, I'll be going over how I did my taxes for my stocks. Today's episode is gonna be a little bit different today because we have no more Robinhood rewards. So let's just jump right into the screen share and take a look at the portfolio. In the Robinhood challenges, I deposit $100 into my portfolio every single week. I trade, buy, sell, but mostly my favorite of all is I collect dividends. Today, my portfolio is not looking so good. I am down about $15 on the day, about 0.5% of my portfolio. I'm actually really disappointed because I thought that today my portfolio would be worth $4,000, but it is not. Right now, my portfolio is $3,973.43. On the day, I am down about $16.50. On the week, I'm down about 10 bucks. On the month, I'm still looking pretty good, up almost 9%. I'm up about 9%, $333. On the 3 months chart, I'm up $725, 22%. 22% gain in the last 3 months is insane. On the year, it's roughly the same, $731, 22%. And on the all-time chart, I'm so lucky that I am finally up again, $280, about 7.5% of the entire portfolio. But like I said, on the day, it is not looking so good. In my current portfolio today, I have about 25 different individual stocks, and my portfolio is weighed more towards real estate investment trusts. So just scrolling down really quickly, you can see that it is a red day and I'm down on most of my stocks, except for just a few. Today I have about $162 of buying power, and I'm going to purchase some stocks from my portfolio. Currently, I'm actually looking to downsize some of my stocks, but today is not a really good day to sell because obviously we're in a down day. In the past month, I've been buying AT&T almost religiously, at least once a week. I have 6 shares at the moment. My equity is almost $200. My average cost is about $31.43. And today is gonna be another day that I buy more AT&T. I'm gonna add to my position. AT&T has a very high dividend yield. Right now, I think it's just over 6%. One thing about the Robinhood statistics is that they're always late to update them. I think that's something that Robinhood should upgrade when it comes to their platform. They should make sure that their stats are always up to date because that really helps individual investors like us do research on each individual stock. In the news, obviously, there's 5G coming up. That is something that Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, they're almost in an arms race to get to 5G the fastest, but 5G is a technology that's brand new and they're only rolling it out to just a few major cities. And through my limited research, I know that 5G isn't working in a lot of these places. I've had AT&T in my portfolio since September 11th, 2018. It was actually one of the first stocks that I ever bought. I've been getting paid dividends over the last few months. November 1st was my first one. I got 50 cents. February 1st was my second one, which I got $1 because I was holding at least 2 stocks, I'm assuming. Yes, 2 stocks. So for the next time that I do get dividends from AT&T, I'm expecting to get a lot more because I hold a lot more stocks. So today I'll be buying 2 shares of AT&T at market price, $31.75. And here we go. Market orders are great if you just want to get those shares in. So my AT&T order has just been filled. Every now and then the market orders don't fill, and that's because when you're buying on market, the price of the stock fluctuates a little bit. So if you're really limited in your buying power, they might do a thing where they charge you a little bit extra. So if you're encountering that problem, just do a limit order. You'll get your stocks really quickly. So the next stock that I'll be buying today is Realty Income. This is another favorite of mine. This is one of the staples of my portfolio, Realty Income. In the future, I'm planning to have thousands of dollars in this stock. At the moment, it is very close to an all-time high. So the 52 weeks high is $74.14. So it's just only a few dollars away from there. So I'm not looking to buy a lot because it's only a few percentages away from this all-time high. So what I like to do is called dollar cost averaging. That's where you buy just a few stocks consistently over and over an extended period of time. Right now I'm averaging about 1 or 2 of this stock every month. So today I'm just gonna be buying 1 stock of Realty Income. Again, one of the benefits of Realty Income is that if you are very interested in investing in real estate, but don't have enough money to buy a property on your own, you might consider buying Realty Income because it's almost the same thing. You can just buy Realty Income, you'll be invested in their properties, and you'll be getting dividends every month through their profits. So if you don't have enough money to go out and buy your own duplex and do all that real estate investing on your own, Realty Income is an alternative out there that you can look into yourself. For my last stock of the day, I'll be buying AG&C Investments, another staple of my portfolio. Right now it's $18.10. When it comes to equity, I have $1,200 in this company, 68 shares. My average cost is $17.99. I've been buying a lot into this company since January. And today I'll just be buying 1 share. I'm planning to get to 100 shares as soon as possible, and I'll be capping my investment at 100 shares of this company. So before we get into part 2 and into the taxes, if you've been enjoying the video and you found it helpful, don't forget to leave me a like. I get asked a lot of questions about taxes when it comes to stock investing, and I'm not really sure why. It's such a difficult concept for people to understand, but Robinhood makes it very easy and very simple to do taxes on your Robinhood account. So all you have to do, go into your portfolio, and the first tab, well, for me, the first tab is learn about taxes on Robinhood. You click that. Yeah, I'm just gonna assume none of you guys are gonna read any of these links. I believe that people that go on YouTube are more of a visual learner. So to do your taxes on Robinhood, yeah, it's very simple. All you have to do is go into your account summary, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you click the link that says tax documents. So what I do basically every year since 2017 was just download the 1099. I go over it to see how much money I've made or lost. Let's open one. I'm obviously not gonna show you all the 1099s. It has a lot of personal information, so I'm not gonna share that with you. So these tax documents has every trade that you've made on Robinhood. Every time you bought a stock, every time you collect dividends, every time you sold for a gain or loss, they keep track of everything. And the one basic thing that you need to know about taxes is that if you buy a stock and you trade it within the first year and you've made money on it, you're gonna have to pay a higher capital gains tax. But if you buy a stock and you hold it and you trade it after you held it for over a year, you pay less in capital gain tax. Over the past year, I didn't do that many trades, but all of my trades that I've done within that year, they're taxed at the short-term capital gains. This tax document also covers all of my dividends that I've collected over the past year. Just looking through here, you can see that I had AT&T, I had some bank stocks, and all these stocks are qualified dividends. So again, I have to also pay taxes on these qualified dividends. I even have some companies that pay dividends from another country, so foreign tax paid, I have to pay for that as well. So I don't really want to bore you with the exact specifics because at the time my portfolio was very small. I didn't make that much money. What I did was take these documents and just emailed them to my accountant, and that was the end of the story. So this year I'm not going to be paying that much money in taxes because I did not make that much money in the stock market. But for 2019, I'm probably going to make only like a few $100s to $1,000 something in the stock market because I'm not invested that much in stocks. If you don't have your own accountant, you can actually do all your taxes on your own. Robinhood, I think they linked up with TurboTax. You can just click that link here and it'll bring you to how you can upload your 1099s to TurboTax, and you can just do TurboTax on your own. And you can just do your taxes on your own through TurboTax. I think they charge like $60, something like that. It's less than $100 to do TurboTax. Let's see specifically how much they charge. And if you haven't done your taxes yet, you only have 6 days left to do your taxes. So file by at least April 15. This video will come out today, so you'll still have 6 days from the upload day of this video, and you can save 20 bucks on TurboTax. Like, I'm not affiliated with TurboTax or Robinhood anymore, so you can do your free trial here. According to this, you can do a free edition, or you can do the deluxe, which is about $50. The premier is investments and rental properties, and for self-employed is about 100 bucks. I myself pay my accountant about $200 to do my taxes. So what I'm basically trying to say here is be a good American and pay your taxes. Taxes aren't something that you should be scared of unless you're a drug dealer or something. Obviously, there are a lot of different factors when it comes to taxes, but at the end of the day, there are only 2 things that you can't escape, and that is taxes and death. So just learn the basics and just get an accountant if your taxes are too difficult to do on your own. Thank you for tuning into this week's Robinhood Investment Challenge. If you are brand new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. I come with a lot more content just like this. Try to help you guys out as much as I can. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video and join that notification squad by hitting that bell icon. Thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.